What I do is I just kind of cast out there and I slowly reel in, and like every like 10 seconds or something, I'm just kind of like giving it like small jerk, just like trying to give that reel in worm action to that plastic that I'm using. And after a while, I'm just kind of like pulling my line in a bit, and then I repeat exactly the same thing, just giving a jerk. Because when I'm doing this, the worm just comes like on top of the surface, and it goes bottom when I'm stopping, and it does same action over and over again, and that what attracts the fish. And right now, water is super cold, weather is super cold, and so when you're doing this, you got to work your jig really slow. Make sure that your action is not too fast, not too slow as well. Just a reminder, just remember that it's winter, and fish is super slow right now. They don't want to move a lot, and they're moving a lot super slow even when they do. Just trying to work my way super slow. There's a fish. We go on. I didn't know I had fish on. Holy cow. Oh god, that's a huge fish, Emre. Holy cow, that's a huge fish. That's a huge bass. Holy cow, look at the size of that thing. Drop shot worked. Holy cow, look at the size of that. I didn't know there was a fish on, I swear to god. Here, Emre, hold that. Can you hold this for me, please? Holy cow, I didn't know there was a fish on. Oh, he swallowed it. Holy cow. I swear to god, I didn't know there was fish on. All right, there you go. There you go. Holy cow. Wow. Wow. There you go. First bass after 7 days. Holy cow. I just came up with that drop shot thing today. I've seen it on YouTube yesterday. There was a couple other guys that were doing that drop shot, especially for winter bass fishing. It works. Holy cow, look at that beautiful fish. That's awesome. It barely, literally barely. I even didn't know there was fish on. Go. It goes. Holy cow, it worked. Drop shot worked. Holy cow. It didn't nibble on it. I didn't know there was fish on. Holy cow. Wow, that was awesome. That was just awesome. All right, let's do it again. Holy cow. Wow. No bite. I felt nothing at all. No fight, no nibble, nothing. All I felt was just a little bit like weight on there. And I thought actually it was just a bunch of weed. Holy cow, that was awesome. Well, good to know that there's bass round. Wow. All right, first one in. Let's see if you hopefully will catch another one. We just got our second bass. Holy cow, that's huge. Holy cow, that's big. Holy cow, we got our second bass fish of today. Holy cow, is it on? Oh no, it came off. It came off. Holy cow, that drop shot works. Holy cow, I'm loving that thing. So me and Emre, he's right here. We're trying to catch fish, bass fish, last, I don't know, 7-8 days, and we were barely getting fish. And finally, yesterday night, I was just trying to do some research and stuff, you know, especially for winter bass fishing. And there was a couple other guys that were just using that split knot or whatever, split shot. No, it's I don't know, whatever it is. I really don't know the name, but I just came up with the same idea. And I'm using it today, and so far we caught one, and I just got one, but I just lost it like 2 seconds ago. And yeah, so far honestly it works, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. That's so much fun, guys. I cannot tell you how much fun I'm getting right now. It is amazing. Let's see, maybe we'll just get another one. That second one was definitely bigger than the first one, but we lost it, unfortunately. I lost him right here.